This video will give you a brief overview of the Project List function on Triplite by Eaton's website. As you browse our website, Project Lists makes it easy to collect, organize, and share the products you need. On any product page, click Add to Project List and create new list. Give your list a name and save it. A new window will pop up letting you know the product has been added to your list. And now you can browse through our product line and add more products. Or view the list. Let's view the list. Now you're in your list manager. Here on the left, you'll find all the lists you've created. To see what's on a list, click on the name of the list. Here on the right, in this Actions menu, you can export the list, add items, clear items, rename the list, save the list, and delete the list. Let's talk about adding items first. Adding a product from a product page is not the only way to add a product to a list. You can also add products by clicking this Add Items button. To add a product, click Add Items, then type in the model number of the product you want to add. If you don't know the entire model number, just type in part of it. A list will pop up and you can choose the model you want. You can get to this list manager by doing what I just showed you, but you can get to it another way as well. Go up to the top of your screen, click Account, and click Project Lists over here on the right. So let's talk about our list. If you want to reorganize the items on your list, simply hover over an item, click on it, and move it where you want it. To the right of each item, if you click on these three little dots, you can do any of these things. You can add a note. This note will save to your product, and if you want to see it, just hover over this icon near the model number. You can copy the product to another list. This will keep the product on the current list, but also add it to another. You can move the product, or in other words, remove it from the current list and add it to a different list. You can find similar items, find accessories, remove the product from your list altogether, and visit the product page on our website. Now back to the Actions menu. As opposed to the menu that pops up when you click on those three little dots next to a product, this menu applies to the list as a whole. Perhaps the most important thing you can do here is export the list. You can include links to product pages, links to PDFs, and links to feature focus images. You can choose whether or not you want to include a product description. And you can also include reseller-specific SKU numbers. You can copy the list to your clipboard and paste it into an email, or you can export it as an Excel document and send it as a spreadsheet. Let's go back to our list. At the bottom of the list, you can add a note about the list as a whole, and if you do that, the note will appear when you export the list. Think of project lists as a way to create a sort of scaled-down bill of materials. Each list you create is specific to you. You can only view your lists if you're logged into your account, and unless you share them using one of the two methods we discussed, no one else can see them. Also, keep in mind that Triplite by Eaton's support team is happy to help. If you need help with product selection, sizing, or anything else related to your project, hover your mouse over this side tab, click Contact Us, and connect with a member of our support team.